Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and it's the beginning of the month, which means tons of unboxings for you guys from all the different products coming out for August. And today I'm sharing with you the August collection from Freckled Fawn. And you guys, I got this back at the end of June and I have been anxiously awaiting the chance that I can show it to you because I think this is my favorite collection from Freckled Fawn ever. It is gorgeous. This is just speaking to all the things that I love so much. So what I have here is the 6x8 kit. They do also have a standard traveler's notebook size. So the papers are, standard traveler's notebook size. You can get just the embellishments. You can order things individually. So they have a lot of different options over there at Freckled Fawn. So definitely check them out. I will link them down below for you guys. But like I said, I have these 6x8. So let me show you what all comes in the 6x8 kit. So I picked this for a variety of reasons. I like that I can cut these down to make 3x4 cards if I'm doing journaling, pocket pages, something like that. I have this little Freckled Fawn notebook that I'm working in where I'm doing these pocket layouts. You can get these from Freckled Fawn as well. And it's just nice and quick and easy. They also have these ones that are for standard traveler's notebook size. So they're like a full sleeve, and then you can do that type of layout if that's more your jam. So that is great. But I also have been using these in my faith binder. So here is a layout where I used July's kit to document some sermon notes. I scribble all my sermon notes, super, super messy. And then I come into here and translate them into here. Kind of clean things up, organize a little bit. I'll write down verses as I'm taking my notes, but in here I go through and actually type out my verses. And so these kits are perfectly sized just to add some color and embellishment. It's not needed. I know it might seem a little excessive to some of you, but it just helps me at a glance, organize things. It's pretty. As I go through my sermon notes, the colors and things jump out to me, and my memory just attaches to certain things like that. And so it helps me remember what that sermon was about. And the embellishments are just perfectly sized for that. And those pages, the 6x8 pages, are perfectly sized to fit into this style of binder. So that's why I choose the 6x8, because I feel like I get a lot of variety out of them, but you can pick and choose what works for you. But these papers come with 2 of each pattern. They are double-sided, so I've gone ahead and flipped them over so that you can see A side, B side together. Can we just talk about how gorgeous this floral is? I think I'm going to need to order an extra set of these papers because I want to fussy cut out these flowers, use it as just a page in my sermon notebook, my faith notebook. So just so beautiful. This collection is very soft, mostly pinks and browns, some wood grains, lots of neutrals. Some things that we're seeing, for those of you who are Bible journalers, rainbows are really big in the Bible journaling community right now. So we've got that fun rainbow paper. We've got this pink just triangle pattern. I like using these as background papers. I just like a nice neutral pattern. And the back side of this one is this fun diamond pattern. Really fun and different. There is this neutral stripe pattern. This one here is great if you're a lister, or especially for sermon notes. It, already is kind of separated into sections for you. So that is a really fun, just simple paper that you can add some embellishments to. And there's this one here with those little rainbows. You could even fussy cut these out if you wanted to, and do some fun things with those. I kind of have an idea for this paper that I might be using there. And the back side of that one is this polka dot. So I'm obsessed, guys. It is so, so pretty. So those are the papers. And then next up, you have your wood veneers. So I love this. These are the little pieces that create a rainbow. So you could leave these just wood veneer, but I love painting them. I really love using distress paints. Look at that color, kind of matches, right? I will have color swatches over on my blog, so definitely check that out. I'll have it linked down below. I like to color swatch gelatos, distress colors, Neocolor 2 crayons, brush markers, like all kinds of things. But distress paints are really great for painting on these wood veneer pieces, especially the dauber top ones. You can just brush on the paint and you're ready to go. And I don't know, it just makes it fun and easy. So you could paint these in traditional rainbow colors. You could match the colors of the kit, or just leave them as the plain wood veneer, or you could get really creative and use them just as, different shapes. They don't necessarily have to be a rainbow. So I can't wait to see how you guys use the wood veneer, but you do get 2 sizes of rainbow wood veneer pieces in this collection. Next up, you have the Enamel Dots. So they are just circles this month in a variety of sizes. And then this is the color palette for the month, which is like pinks and kind of that purpley, like Victorian velvet color a little bit, and a little bit of a like pinky brown. I don't know. It's just very, very pretty. You've got your washi stickers. I love this. So instead of having a full roll of washi tape that I don't always use up, I've got drawers and drawers of washi tape that I don't always use up a full roll of washi. This gives you a lot of variety. So you have a lot of different patterns. There's different widths in here, and it is washi material. So you can tear it just like washi tape. It is translucent. So kind of blends into your pages and things like that. I love this wood plank one here. You've got your rainbows, just lots of fun pieces in there. So you do get 2 sheets of those. Next up are the chipboard stickers, and these are one of my favorite elements from Freckled Fawn. I've mentioned in many of my unboxing videos of theirs that the quality of their product is so good, and I just love these wood veneer pieces. And so they are adhesive backed, and I do like that you can just pop them out so you can kind of test out where you want them on your layout or on your project before you commit to it, and then you just peel off the backer and it's a sticker and it's ready to go. They are, chipboard, so they do have some dimension. If you're working in your journaling Bible or a traveler's notebook and you don't want that much dimension, you can peel off some of the back layers and kind of thin it out a little bit, and then just use some regular adhesive to adhere it down. But you've got a variety of shapes here and different phrases. Love, love, love. I love the I love the typewriter font that they use here. So love all these people, all the beautiful things, good times, have a happy day. So really some great pieces in there. Love that floral as well. So there is that, the chipboard stickers. Next up are the label stickers. I love labels. I love layering these just to add, little pops of color, use them for like verse addresses or to stamp the date or to identify my children, because I do have identical twins. So sometimes when I'm documenting a photo and I can't tell who is who, I'll just put, their names on a label or something like that. So again, really versatile pieces here. I love that they have a variety of shapes and sizes, a couple arrows and things like that. Love the wood plank. And again, the color scheme this month is so pretty. So there are the label stickers. And then last but not least are your alphabet stickers. So this month is going to be a tile alpha, but they do also include numbers, which is really nice, especially if you are Bible journaling and documenting a verse or something like that. Or if you're a list maker, these are great for that as well. So you do have several of each letter, and it looks like the font for each letter is the same. So it's not all random. It's like all the W's look the same, all the O's look the same, if that makes sense. So there is a look at the August collection from Freckled Fawn. Again, you can order the 6x8 kit. They have the standard traveler's notebook set, or you can order things individually, and there's a couple different bundles in there as well. And you can still get past kits as well. So definitely head on over to the shop and check that out. I'll have all those links down below. Those are affiliate links, so just heads up. And throughout the month, I will be popping in and sharing how I'm using this collection this month. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Check out the blog post for all of those color swatches and close-up photos. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.